A new year, new president, but an old entrenched problem remains: inflation. If you ask anyone, what are the safest assets that you can have? Most would reply, precious metals and real estate, and they would be right. The problem with precious metals is that they accrue no interest and pay no dividends. Sure, they do rise in value, but you can't buy bread and milk or pay rent with a gold bar. Real estate can produce cash flow, but there is so much required to get to that point. Upfront costs. The substantial initial investment required for down payments, closing costs, and renovation expenses can deter people. Market volatility. Fear of market downturns or economic recessions that could reduce property values. Liquidity issues. Real estate is less liquid than other investments, making it difficult to quickly sell in case of financial need. Inflation impact. Worries about whether rental income will keep pace with inflation. Tenant risks. Concerns about unreliable tenants, property damage, or vacancies affecting rental income. Over-leveraging. Worries about taking on too much debt and being unable to cover loan payments during financial hardships. Time commitment. Managing properties, dealing with tenants, and handling repairs can be time-consuming. Natural disasters. Risks like flooding, earthquakes, or hurricanes can significantly affect property value and insurance costs. All these issues are legitimate concerns, especially if they keep you from the earnings potential you could be enjoying. But what if there was a way that all these roadblocks could be removed, enabling you to take advantage of one of the most stable investment vehicles throughout human history? That's exactly what we offer at Your Best Returns. Visit our site to discover how you can steadily earn up to 9% APY starting 1 month from now with only $500.